Starting a business in Australia? One of the first things you'll need to do is register your business name. It's quick, easy, and I'm here to guide you through the process in just 2 minutes. Before you register business name, you'll need an ABN. If you don't have one, head to the Australian government website to apply. Next, check if your business name is available. Visit the business.gov.au website, type in your desired name, and see if it's already taken. If it is, try a variation or a new name. Once your name is available, you can register it online. Fill out the simple form with your ABN, contact details, and choose whether you want to register for 1 or 3 years. Next, you'll make a payment. It's around $37 for 1 year or $87 for 3 years. After that, you'll get a confirmation email. And that's it. You're all set to start trading with your official business name. Just remember to use your registered name on your website, business cards, and other marketing materials. How to register business name on TrustDeed 1. Log into our website trustdeed.com.au. 2. Please go to Business Registration tab and register business name for 1 year or 3 years. 3. The Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC, typically processes and issues a business name registration certificate within 1 to 2 business days once you've completed